What's up guys? So today we have a 2022 Supra, I believe. It is a 6-port. We have a KLM kit with a 6466 going on. On top of that, the addition of port injection. Easily enough with the CSF manifold. We just got some injectors, added a fuel rail onto it, and all the right goodies for motive reflex to be controlled inside. Redid the car from what it was. It was a stock turbo car, had full bolt-ons. Customer had it for a while. Obviously you could see it. It is a beautiful car. It has plenty of stuff done to it. Again, we have a KLM 6466 kit on there, dual turbo smart wastegates, a single turbo smart blow-off valve, electronic control boost solenoid. We do have custom plumbing that I do that all push lock with the fire resistant heat sleeve over it. Inside here you can see, being that we added port injection, we needed a controller. This controller adds a functionality of port injection integration of the electronic control boost solenoid, the integration of a low pressure fuel pump, pretty much adds expandability for everything. And on top of that, it adds an additional 4 additional auxes on top of everything else that you're already getting. All right guys, thanks for watching. Again, the build was brought to you by A90 Shop. I am Supra Serg, aka Simply Racing Motorsports. If you have anybody in Vegas, you guys know who to reach out to, and anybody in SoCal, you guys know who to reach out to.